Hey guys, Vick here from 4%. I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing here in this video. I know a lot of people, especially nowadays, they're trying to make money online promoting other people's products. If you have tried that and if you didn't make the kind of money that you intended to make, why is that? As a matter of fact, 95% of people that are trying affiliate marketing fail, and they shouldn't. Because this is such a lucrative opportunity. This is such a lucrative business model. I think it's better than Shopify. I think affiliate marketing, especially right now, is way better than doing drop shipping or doing coaching or consulting or masterminds or creating your own products, doing e-commerce stuff, all these popular things. I think affiliate marketing is hands down the most lucrative, the easiest money, lowest hanging fruit that you can just go and grab today for a few reasons. Number one is today we can collaborate with pretty much any brand out there in the world. I'm talking multi-million-dollar companies and billion-dollar brands. We can collaborate with them. We can partner with them and sell their products, and they will deliver the product, right? They'll process all the payments and they'll take care of the customer and they'll pay us potentially a lot of money. And we don't even have to do any of that heavy lifting. Now, why do so many people fail at affiliate marketing? I think is because they're following a model that they were taught that is broken. Let me clarify that, all right? First of all, Vic, who are you to even talk about affiliate marketing? Listen, I completely changed my life through affiliate marketing. I was the guy that didn't have $1.19 to my name. And I got in affiliate marketing. I was promoting somebody else's products, and I was able to take myself from zero to be able to generate on average about $11,500 per day consistently. Comes out to be over $300,000 a month before I even started to teach affiliate marketing. Like, I was doing this kind of stuff, right? And so this completely changed my life. And obviously, we teach and we are on a mission right now to create super affiliates where we can all collaborate together. We can go conquer industries and that kind of stuff. It's really, really exciting. A lot of fun. So let me tell you why a lot of people fail in affiliate marketing. I think it's because they either follow. There's two schools of thought. All right. And the first one is the typical standard one. They'll tell you, these gurus, right? They'll tell you, go to ClickBank, pick an offer, and just send traffic to an offer. And if you have ever tried that, probably didn't work out for you, right? Because that's a wrong model. That's the path to failure. That's path to misery, and you'll go broke doing that. Don't ever do that kind of stuff. I promise you, you're not going to succeed with that model. The second model seems a little bit better on surface, and this is the funnel-based model. That's what the guru is going to tell you. Well, you got to build yourself a list, right? Send people to a landing page, build a list, and then sell offers to your list. Like, hammer your list with emails to other people's products, and you'll be making money, right? It sounds good in theory, but it doesn't work. If you have tried that, how did it work out for you, right? Probably not so well. And let me tell you why, right? Put yourself in the shoe of that prospect who gets on the list. Let's say if you subscribe to somebody else's list and all you get from that person is buy. Here's an offer. Here's what's going to happen. You will either unsubscribe, or worst yet, right, you will just ignore them. And what happens then is it's a downward spiral, because when people ignore your emails, nobody wants to read your emails because you're constantly pushing, offers. Your emails get, your account gets put on a bad reputation IP with email service provider or your autoresponder company, and your emails don't even get delivered, right? So it's even worse than people unsubscribing. All right. Now, this is such an amazing opportunity, my friends. And as a matter of fact, right now, as I'm talking to you, I'm literally running an offer. Started about a week ago, selling somebody else's product. In just about a week, we sold like $600,000, right? It's crazy. Here's a crazy part. I didn't have to deliver the product. I didn't have to customer service those people. I didn't have to deal with the payment processing. I just connected people with what they want, right? Gave them a good offer, and I have something that's a little bit different. that makes this whole thing work, right? And I call this the connector business model. Okay, so what is a connector business model? Well, it's kind of like Uber, right? A person here wants to get to somewhere, right? Uber connects people with what they want, and they just basically have other companies delivering the product. In this example, happens to be the car. Now, what Uber does is Uber has this connector model, and they own what's called a system of connecting, right? Amazon does that. Airbnb does that. Heck, Oprah Winfrey does that, right? Vick Strizheus does that. And this is the big money stuff, my friend. This is big money stuff. And I don't see a lot of people talking about it, right? So here's a big tip for you. People don't buy products. Like, you couldn't care less about another product, right? You don't care about products. What you care about is you care about a particular outcome. Okay, remember that. That's a big secret in affiliate marketing. So if you can, deliver outcomes, not sell products, and have it done systematically so that when you're sleeping, you can be making money. Okay, as a matter of fact, you should be making more money when you're sleeping than what you can spend when you're awake. That's a big idea. Now, the big question is, how do you do that, right? If you want to know how we're doing it, like right now I'm running campaigns, I'm doing this stuff. Like, I'm in the trenches, and I'm literally on a mission right now to create super affiliates. I'm holding a free event. I'm holding a free masterclass where I'm literally going to take you behind the curtain. I'm going to show you where I get my offers. It's not ClickBank. It's not JVZoo. It's not anything like what you will hear from anybody else that's out there in the industry. We do things different. I don't do what the other gurus are doing out there. I do it my way. So I tell you where I get my offers from. I tell you what I look for in the offers, right? Second thing I'm going to teach you is systems, because I'm huge on systems. I don't ever chase people ever, right? People chase me, if anything. But I tell you how I create systems around what I do, right? And then the system does all the selling, explaining, and selling for me while I'm sleeping. Makes me money. It's 24/7. It's like a machine. It's like a cash machine that works for you and gets you paid all the time. I show you how to incorporate multiple streams of income into that system, where your people will never feel like they're being sold to. This is sell without selling at its finest. And this is crushing it for us right now. Like I said, $600,000 in sales just in the last week alone. Think about it, 1 week, $600,000 in sales. Now, here is the craziest part. I spent this much on marketing. That's right, not a single dime spent on marketing. How do you do that? Well, you do it through what's called a hub-based business model, which I'm going to take you behind the curtain and show you how it's structured, okay, how to do it. It's game changer for us, and pretty sure it's going to be for you as well. And then I'm going to show you how do you get traffic. I know traffic really, really well. I'll show you how to get traffic for pennies on a dollar. My number one go-to strategy right now, it's not Facebook. It's not necessarily Google. We use all those traffic sources, but if you on the budget, if you don't have big money, if you got like 35 bucks, if you got 10 bucks, you want to get a lot of high quality traffic, I'm going to show you where to get it today. Okay. And I'm going to review all of this inside of this masterclass for you. You can literally take this, what I'm going to show you, and just run it. And you can have your affiliate marketing business, create it and launch it in the next 30 days if you'd like to. Okay. Go ahead and register. I'm going to have a session coming up here shortly, so you can register yourself, and we're going to dive into this. This is going to be a deep dive workshop. People that have attended my masterclass like this, they have absolutely they were blown away by it. And so we're doing something really, really cool in the industry. I don't know if it's going to be something that you might be interested in or not, but I'm going to show you what we're doing and let you decide for yourself. But again, I think regardless, like if you want to make money today, I think affiliate marketing is the most lucrative. I think it's the easiest path to money right now online. You can literally be in a money-making position in the next 3 days if you want to. I want to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so listen, if you want to learn about it, if you want to get more details, just come and watch the masterclass and then see for yourself. See if it's something that's gonna be attractive for you or something you want to do or not. Reserve your spot. Okay, we are going to be starting. It's going to be we're going to have a great time here, and I hope you can join us. If not, wish you all the best. But just remember, if you want to make big money, affiliate marketing is the only way to go. Just don't do it like everybody else is teaching you. All right. Cheers. Bye.